In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google to organize and share your wish list on Temu like a pro. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that's not only easy to follow, but also super practical for those of you looking to streamline your shopping experience. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type in Temu on Google. Now, do a quick search, and you should see the Temu website at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on that link to head over to the site. It's the first step to finding your wish list and making the most out of your Temu account. Once you're on the Temu homepage, it's time to navigate to your profile. Look towards the top right corner. You'll typically find an icon resembling a human figure or a section labeled Profile. Clicking here will lead you directly to your own personalized section of the site. It's a handy way to access all your account-related information, conveniently bundled in one spot. Next, you're going to want to find your wish list. Within your profile page, one of the options you'll see is the wish list. This is where all your saved items, the ones you've been eyeing for a while, are kept. Click on Wish List to see the array of products you've considered purchasing. It's like visiting your virtual shopping bag, filled with goodies just waiting for the right moment. Now here's where the fun part comes in, sharing your wish list with others. Imagine you're planning a big event, or maybe you're just getting some gift ideas from friends. Sharing this list can be incredibly useful. Inside the wish list, you'll notice each product has its own set of actions you can take. Find the product you're most interested in sharing. Once you click on a product, you should see a share option. This handy tool is perfect for spreading the word about the fantastic finds you've stashed away. Click on the share button and you'll see an option to copy link. Give that a click and voila, your link is ready to be sent to anyone you wish. Whether you're sharing with friends, family, or perhaps someone who just can't decide what to gift you, having this link makes sharing super simple and effective. That's pretty much it. You're done and ready to make use of your wish list like never before. Simple, right? Navigate, save and share. All with a few clicks. This process not only keeps your shopping aspirations organized, but also makes sharing your finds a breeze. So enjoy your newfound ability to manage your wish list effortlessly, thanks to Google and Temu working hand in hand.